Hello everybody, welcome to my bike check. It's actually my first one, so hope it goes well. First off, we have a old, kind of shitty Haro frame. As you can see, it's kind of old because it's got the brake mounts on the bottom and everything. Next we got Sputnik Spectrum fork. That's alright, it's pretty good. Then we got Fit, so stock Fit bars actually. With Fit grips and Fit bar ends. Animal stem right there with stock Eastern front wheel seal bearings and everything. Comes from Eastern Element. Animal GLH tire 2.25. Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones pegs. Going back here, we got stock Eastern back wheel 2. It's 48H though, kind of heavy, but really nice and strong, which is good. GT, or repainted GT cranks. 8 spline, not that good. Getting new ones though. Eastern pedals. Eastern chain wheel. Eastern Medusa Light chain wheel. KMC chain. Fit Bikeco pivotal seat, plastic pivotal seat with Fit pivotal post. The short one's only like, I don't know, probably like this big. And then also Haro back tire. And I think that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody for watching.